Semiconductor physics relies on understanding the basic periodicity of matter. This video focuses on crystalline and amorphous solids. In crystalline solids, a basic arrangement repeats throughout the solid, creating predictability. Amorphous solids have a random atomic arrangement, leading to unpredictable electronic behavior. Polycrystalline solids consist of small regions of single crystal material. The interface where orientation changes is called the grain boundary. This disruption interrupts the predictable lattice structure. The single crystal standard is essential for integrated circuits. This structure appears identical at equivalent points throughout the solid. Silicon and germanium are the primary architects of these structures. The specific architecture of the diamond lattice, with its tetrahedral geometry, is the physical foundation for modern semiconductor devices. This is the natural form of silicon and germanium. Silicon is the preferred material for IC applications, partly because its oxide form, silicon dioxide, creates an almost perfect interface with pure silicon. At absolute zero or 0 Kelvin, the material is in a frozen state. Covalent bonding holds atoms together via shared valence electrons. All bonds are unbroken, resulting in no free electrons, and the material functions as a perfect insulator. When the temperature rises, thermal energy causes the lattice to vibrate. This kinetic interaction challenges the strength of the covalent bonds. If the thermal energy exceeds the bond strength, a covalent bond breaks. An electron escapes, becoming a free electron available for electrical conduction. Intrinsic generation creates an electron-hole pair for every broken bond. This pair consists of the negatively charged free electron and the hole, which is the vacancy left in the lattice. In isolated atoms, electrons occupy discrete energy levels. When atoms pack tightly to form a solid lattice, these discrete levels split and merge to form continuous energy bands, the valence band and the conduction band, separated by a band gap. The valence band contains electrons bound within covalent bonds. The conduction band contains free electrons capable of carrying current. They are separated by the band gap. The energy gap, or forbidden zone, is the separation between the valence and conduction bands. No electron can exist in this gap. To conduct electricity, an electron must gain enough energy to jump across the energy gap. The energy gap is a material fingerprint that determines conductivity and thermal stability. For silicon, the energy gap is 1.1 electron volts, while for germanium, it is 0.67 electron volts. Thermal energy breaking a covalent bond in the physical view corresponds to an electron gaining energy equal to or greater than the energy gap and transitioning from the valence band to the conduction band in the energy view. The periodic arrangement of the diamond lattice structure creates covalent bonding, which defines the energy gap. This gap allows the material to switch between acting as an insulator, where the switch is open, and a conductor, where the switch is closed.